Mayo Buntag, and welcome to the McKinley Farm on the island of Bohol in the Philippines. The McKinley Farm students and crew are working on some water drainage issues and doing some final touch-up on the McKinley Farm caretaker's house. This video is part 4 of the process of building the caretaker's house. Proudly built by the McKinley Farm students on the McKinley Farm on the island of Bohol in the Philippines. The McKinley Farm is in its wet season right now, so it's raining quite frequently.
Ano yung pang poste ba? Kasi ito na nice na.
Here, one of the McKinley Farm students is spreading out the concrete for the front porch flooring. And here Jerome is working on some roofing on the side of the caretaker's house next to the dirty kitchen. The larger farms in the area provide housing for the caretakers and their families. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Salamat. Bye-bye.